So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC, on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press on Explore. Then at the top, press on Search. And as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol LTC. Once Litecoin is here, press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom, press on Buy Litecoin, the purple button. Then on this page, type in the amount you're looking to buy. I will just type in 1250 as an example. If you want to proceed with the transaction and this is the correct amount, go to the right and press on the purple arrow. Then on this page, you can check out the amounts that you're buying, the price, the Kraken fee, and the total. And if all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction, press on the purple confirm button at the bottom, and then go that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Litecoin, ticker symbol LTC, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.